Hello class. For my second discussion post this week, let's solve the following system by the elimination method. 4x plus 7y equals 14 and negative 4x plus y equals 34. So what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate one of these variables. Take 4x plus 7y equals 14 and negative 4x plus y equals 34. So these are already lined up. Let's go ahead and eliminate the x variable. So we have 4x minus 4x equals 0, plus 7y plus y equals 8y equals 34. I'm sorry. 14 plus 34 equals 48. Divide this side by 8, divide this side by 8, y equals 6. So now we can take this variable 6 and plug it in this equation for, not there. Let's plug it in here for y, because y equals 6. 4x plus 7 times 6 equals 14. 7 and 6 equals 42. 4x plus 42 equals 14. We subtract 42 from either side, and we are left with negative 28. 4x equals negative 28. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. X is going to equal negative 7. So our solution set is going to be negative 7, comma 6. And what we can do is we can check these by plugging them into the equation over here. So 4 times negative 7 equals negative 28 plus 7 times 6, that equals 14. So it's true on this statement here. On the next equation, we do negative 4 times negative 7 plus y 6, that equals 34, and that's also true here. Guys, that is how you solve for a system by using the elimination method. Thank you.